Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today we got something out of the ordinary for me to repair. Don't get me wrong, I do work on flashes, it's just it has to be worth it, and apparently this is worth it. Before we dive into this, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, you know what I'm talking about. Appreciate it, doing a great job. Back to it, we got a flash today, y'all. We got a flash. And to get the record straight, the one flash that I constantly work on at least once a week is the Godox V1 and the 860, but mainly the V1. Those plastic hot shoes be popping and breaking and them. Oh yes, but this is the Sony HVL-F45RM. Can you make it more difficult? Just a tad bit more difficult to figure it out? I remember talking to the customer on the phone, and I was like, "What's the model name? What's the model number? What is the flash? What's the flash's name?" He just kept saying HVL. So yeah, today we're gonna be messing with the hot shoe. That is pretty gnarly. You can see the separation right there. Went to Encompass, ordered the part. This is the Case Assy shoe. I love it. I love it every time. Part number A218476-4A. Gonna get it if you need it. It is made in Myanmar. Definitely going there for vacation next year. It's got to be super easy. Can't be that hard. Oh wow, check this one out. So we got a wire soldered into the flex cable. That's tattoo worthy right there, baby. One thing I do like about this is look at that metal plate right there. Is that why this flash is $400? I'm hoping to get in, get out, you know what I'm saying? Quick little booty call, you know what I'm saying? Oh, shnikes. So we got the part, the broken flash. We're going to start with tools of the day. It's your good old classic straight tweezers, curved tweezers. Then you got your cross point screwdrivers, 2.0, 2.5. If you need cross point screwdrivers, watch the video. I tell you where to get them. And then if you're too lazy to do that, just go to spt.info and you can get a bunch of stuff there about camera repair. All right, let's stop joking around. Let's get into this. Let's get in, get out. Hopefully it's just 4 screws and a little tug. Pause. All right, hope everybody's staying positive, staying focused. Most of all, just having fun in life. This may be the fastest video since it's broken. We just go on and break that up right there, boy. Pretty crazy. We are going to, I'm going to try to get this so y'all can see. I'm going to actually put the tip in, and then we're going to push. Once you feel as if it is seated, you are going to definitely remove the plastic from the transmitter. And then we're going to make sure it sits flush. We're going to put these 4 screws in. And honestly, I feel as if everybody that graduated the 4th grade could definitely do this. The fact that I'm getting paid to do this is mind-boggling. So, let's go ahead and test her out. Oh yeah, in the beginning, don't forget to take the batteries out. And we're gonna put in manual. Hopefully I have battery on this thing. It doesn't like Duracell. That's what I'm thinking. Bruh. Maybe Ann's Man will help. Maybe they'll sponsor me. Free batteries for life. Bro, you know, that saved me so much money. All the toys and stuff I buy for my 4 kids. Are you serious? Bad batteries, maybe? Alright. Yeah, let me know if it works. We're good. What? Check that out. That's why it's $400. It turns on when the camera on, and the camera turns off, the flash turns off. That is why this is $400. Godox don't do that. Godox don't know nada nothing about that. Alright, well, that was quick, easy. Hopefully y'all get a laugh out of what I go through, you know. Until next time, y'all know the drill. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no